Going south on 75 through Dayton. Better find you another way around because there's an accident up here and southbound is a clusterfuck rolling south through Dayton. Just a heads up. Anybody that might be watching my videos, be coming through Dayton, any truck drivers, you might want to go around because it's pretty well backed up. There's 2 or 3 cars tangled up here. The cops going up the wrong way on the wrong side of the highway trying to get to the accident. Right there is the popo. I guess they talking to each other over the wall where the accident is. Yep, it's a clusterfuck.